Someone's got zoomies. Hey, good morning. Look at this great, cool morning we are having. I tell you, in a couple weeks from now, I'm going to be saying, oh, it's 7:12 in the morning and it's already 82 degrees. But we're not there. Instead, it's 55 or whatever right now, and awesome. I got a lot of dogs today, so let's just go. Come on. All right, that was a fun sea walk with Luca, Jack, Prince, and Brandy. Luca's so happy. She's really coming out of her shell because she's really skittish with other dogs and, you know, going on walks. When I try to group them all, she loves it. So, especially when we go back to her house and I just let the leash off and they all just run around like crazy. Beautiful. Let's get going, more to do. Right here. Come on, Mother. Hi, buddy. Charlie here, crazy Charlie, and I didn't need to record any of this, just I think the kid bruised his ego, but dumbass kid illegally riding a dirt bike, pretty big one too, and glad he had a helmet on at least, but he goes whizzing by super loud, goes to make the turn, and you never do it. And this is why. He puts his right foot down and immediately dumps the bike. So said he was all right, but he was guarding his elbow and his leg, and I'm just like, here, hold on to this crazy guy. Went over, picked the bike up, put it on the corner, and just like, dude, I saw you do that. Just resist that urge. Don't put the leg down unless you're stopped. Ouch. All right, you know what I forgot to do was end the video. I looped around, did another couple blocks with Crazy Charlie, and saw that the kid was still sitting on the curb with the bike, so ended up he took Charlie and I pushed the bike back down the street to where he lives. So there you go. Forgot to end the video, but hey, at least my legs are moving, so I appreciate you watching, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.